Now, that's the biggest worry we hear from students, the new entrants in the industry, new job seekers who want to be part of this industry. And the biggest fear today, the student community at least have, and I visit colleges, meet students at universities, and they have the biggest fear is, are there going to be job losses due to adoption of AI?
What is your view on that?
My view is, if you do not learn AI, you will not get jobs. So if you need to get job today in the industry, need to start learning AI, because otherwise someone else will, your analogy of a lover, someone else will win the job, because if you do not know the technology. Now, in terms of whether the job losses are going, that is yet to be seen, yet to be established, and maybe in the next 3 to 5 years we will be able to get that data. But I think it's definitely going to improve efficiencies.
No, absolutely, and I think your understanding is, I think I totally agree with your understanding. I think if you look at it, in the last 10, 12 years, technology transformation has been happening. In pharmacovigilance specifically, I have not seen job losses in pharmacovigilance. What has actually happened is, people who were doing case processing are today doing aggregate reports. People are moving to more high-skilled work, and in pharmacovigilance, we always use the term of augmented AI. Right. Nobody is talking about full AI. We are saying there will be a human in the loop or human over the loop, and there will always be a need for people to have oversight in terms of quality and compliance, right? So within pharmacovigilance, at least for now, I don't see any impact on jobs. Yes, the jobs which can be automated will get automated, but I think the human brain and the skills that is required will still be there. In fact, right now, anybody who does not know AI does not have a job in PV. Absolutely. Because he needs to understand AI to be able to do the daily job of pharmacovigilance. And as you see in the next 4-5 years, the need for people to upskill themselves, understand technology, and thereby, do their pharmacovigilance activity is going to be even more important.